So we have 5 logs, roughly about 10 centimeters each. So we start first in, first out. So I have this and I'm going 3 times the length of my scraper. So I measure just over, a little bit over the length. So this is about 12 centimeters and I'm getting both hands involved. So I start from the middle, roll it into the bench, it will start to get longer. Now if your bench is super dry and your hands are really dry, your dough may start to glide. Instead of getting long, it's just gliding. If you have that situation going on, sprinkle a little bit of water on your bench, an emphasis on the little bit of water on the bench, rub it into the bench, it'll become slightly tacky and it'll be easier for you to roll out your dough. Okay, always start from the middle and I'm just rocking it back and forth, going back and forth, even amount of pressure as I do this. And then I start to measure. It will shrink back, so let it shrink back fully before you start to measure. So I'm at 1, 2 1/4. And then you always look at your dough. Even when you think you've put an even amount of pressure, you may see one side bulging. If you have any bulges, leave the rest of the log and just concentrate on that bulge. Okay, get it to the same depth or thickness as the other sides, and then I think I should be there. 1, 2, 3, done. So first one done, pick the second one, and you repeat the process again. Always starting from the middle.